What is a Winona Meetup? Meetups create space to connect with women in your area, relate to the shared experience of menopause, and uplift and empower each other. If you've been longing for more of that in your life, this is for you. Studies show that strong female friendships boost health and longevity, so connecting with other women could literally change your life.
Hi, my name is Maddie, and I want to invite you to something special. Hosting a Winona Meetup is simple. We provide everything you need, from meetup ideas and supplies to snacks and drinks.
All you need to bring? Energy, friends, and open arms to welcome other women in your community.
Invite your friends and have them bring others. We'll also help spread the word by reaching out to others in your area. You'll be a leader in your community, but that doesn't mean you have to start big. Even a simple gathering of just 5 women is enough to make an impact. Over time, more women may feel drawn to join you. But it's all about creating a space for connection, no matter the size.
When women gather, healing happens. It starts with you. Host a Winona Meetup this month. Hosting a meetup is simple. Just invite your friends and have them bring a +1. Find space for your meeting. We recommend your home, a community center, a park, or library meeting rooms you can reserve for free. Share the event in your local Facebook community pages to reach even more women. And to keep Winona Meetups a great experience for everyone, just follow our simple protocols. Have guests sign in and complete a quick post-event survey. That's it.
Hosting is easy because Winona has you covered. We'll provide all the supplies for your monthly event, plus funds for food and drinks. You'll also get support every step of the way, plus marketing to help spread the word. All you have to do is bring your community together.
I've just been taking a minute to think about the 2 Winona meetups I've had, and it's been so fun. We did a January Women's Christmas, and then in February we did a hot yoga class, and women are, first of all, just so excited to be together, and then secondly, to do something that's free for them. It's been so phenomenal, so easy. Everyone in the second group really was so excited to do more. They're like, how do we get signed up to do this more? I want to make sure that I don't miss another meetup. And it's been it's been the coolest experience, and really no problems whatsoever. I can't wait to do my next one.
Winona Meetups are all about community and connection. No sales, no recruitment, just support. While Winona provides medical treatment, this initiative is about something bigger, providing spaces where women feel seen, connected, and supported. We can't wait to have you join us.